Okay, now we are in the area where the butterflies are, and Rick is amazed. They're flying all around in here. Do not touch the butterflies. Oh, look. Oh, Rick, here comes one beside you. Over. Oh, look, one went in my head. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we are. Oh, look, they're eating some kind of meat here. I don't know what that is, but they're enjoying this. Huh. This is really nice in here, isn't it, Rick? This is like a magical place. Rick, let me let me go in front of you so I can show these. They're blocking the view of all the butterflies. And here is, the birds are in here too. Whoops. Oh, there, isn't that pretty? Oh, look, there's a big butterfly up here. Oh, there's more. I look down here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought these were artificial. They're real. Look at all this going on. Isn't this wonderful? And the butterflies are all flying around. You can see them in the background. This is very cool.